Hey friends, if you encounter the error with sniping tool, this app can't open, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So first of all, try opening the app not through the shortcut but through the regular method. Simply search for it and click on run as administrator in the right pane. It will usually work, but if it doesn't, then try uninstalling any third-party screenshot apps on your system. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps in the right pane. Now scroll down till you find any third party screenshot app on your computer. I don't have, but let's say I did, then I would simply uninstall it and remove it to avoid conflict with the sniping tool. The next solution is to repair the sniping tool. So search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane. Now scroll down and then click on terminate, repair, let it repair. And if this doesn't work, then simply reset the sniping tool. Okay, reset and reset once again. You can also reinstall it, but honestly, it won't make a difference because it's a system app anyway. It will, when you repair it, it will pick up the files from the cloud, from the Microsoft cloud. So I don't recommend reinstalling it, but you can if you want to. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.